quickly go through the shop from the side entrance door to the manufacturing facility. Here we have a utility press, 50 tons, an automated bandsaw, a large manual lathe in the back. We have a 60,000 psi water jet machine. In the back to the side there's a couple welding areas with TIG welders, MIG welders, and stick welders in the back. Right here we have some of our commonly stocked items for our sheet steel. You can see we have a CNC plasma cutter running, 3/16 shims for mild steel plates and so on. This is more or less the fabrication bay where a lot of the noise happens, and then over here I'll show you into the machining area. In this bay we have 4x8 CNC router. We're just getting ready to router out a bunch of Lexan, a bit large radial arm drill. Got a couple Haas mills, VF2, VF4. Now as we go back, there's some manual machines and another VF2. We got two CNC lathes here. One's running some parts right now, and right back here we have a few manual lathes depending on what we need. We're pretty versatile, so sometimes all of this could be running or it might not be. Then over here I'll show you into the design and the design office. The designer's just out on a job right now looking at some measurements there, but you can see we're fairly close to the process, so if they have any questions they can quickly ask. And we run a seat of SolidWorks, Fusion 360, as well as AutoCAD. So this is some more offices. Right up here we keep a job status board to keep track of timelines, customers, and time tracking for all our projects. Now, part of the other side of our business and what we do is mill writing. So, I think there's 20 employees on payroll. There's several of them out on jobs right now. So sometimes the shop could be really full, or you can see it right now where there might not be too many people in here. But we have a lot of some equipment that we take out to jobs that kind of gets put back here because we don't use it that often. Some of the conveyor builds and machine builds we do, if we try to keep some stock parts just in case the customer has any issues with it, we'd have some available. This is the forming and the shearing area, more or less. Sometimes it can be the assembly, like we just finished this conveyor system here for a customer out in Collingwood. It's sorting latches for bottle handles, and you can see we have our stainless steel and sheet in this rack to keep it free from contamination. Generally we're not doing any grinding or mild steel work over here, and then we have the aluminum and stainless steel bar rack right to the side. But you can see it, all three bays are connected over here. This is coming back to the machining bay with the routering and the VF machines. So we're pretty well equipped, and it goes from sometimes all the machines are running to get a job out, or they might not be running and we're focusing on more fabrication parts. The water jet gives us the versatility to pretty much do everything in-house. Mind you, it's slower than a laser cutter, but we could cut 1-inch thick aluminum or 1-inch thick plastic or 1/16 thick stainless steel, right? It gives you a nice cut, no heat affected zone, and less cleanup time than, let's say, the plasma cutter would. But the plasma cutter is a lot faster for mild steel, less precise work. But as you can see, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us, and we'll look forward to hearing from you.